Hello and welcome back to another video. Journaling has long been celebrated as a quiet yet powerful practice for personal growth. But its true potential is often unlocked when paired with a thoughtfully organized writing space. Together, these habits create a sustainable ritual that nurtures both mind and the environment. At its core, journaling is a tool for mental clarity. Writing forces the brain to slow down, process emotions, and untangle complex thoughts. Research consistently shows that expressive writing reduces stress, lowers anxiety, and improves emotional regulation by externalizing internal noise. Beyond mental health, journaling sharpens cognitive function. It strengthens memory, encourages critical thinking, and helps track behavioral patterns and decision making habits. When you capture goals, daily reflection, and fleeting insights on paper, you build a living archive of your personal evolution. Over time, this practice deepens self awareness, sparks creativity, and provides a reliable sounding board during periods of uncertainty. Yet, maintaining a consistent journaling habit can easily falter without a supportive environment. This is where a clean, organized journaling desk becomes essential. A cluttered surface competes for attention, introducing subtle distractions that fracture focus and increase cognitive load. By contrast, a tidy workspace eliminates friction. When pens, netbooks, or notebooks, stamps, and reference materials have designated homes, you spend less time searching and more time writing. Organization also cultivates intentionality. A deliberately arranged desk signals to your brain that the space is reserved for reflection and creativity. The visual calm of a streamlined surface naturally lowers mental resistance, making it easier to slip into a reflective state. Simple systems, a dedicated tray for loose paper, a holder for favorite pens, and a cleared central area for your journal transform the desk into a sanctuary rather than just furniture. Ultimately, journaling and desk organization work in tandem. The practice clears the mind while the organized space clears the path, and together they form a sustainable ecosystem for introspection, ensuring that each time you sit down, you're met not with clutter but with quiet readiness. Thank you for listening, take care, and have a nice day.
Okay, let's go.